Manifesting money using the power of thoughts and imagination is now the talk of the town. You might have practiced the law of assumption and Neville Goddard's teachings to manifest money, but did you know anything about Dr. Joseph Murphy? It is true that when it comes to manifesting money or some other desire, people tend to practice Neville Goddard's teachings. But I have studied Dr. Joseph Murphy's teachings, and I have discovered that his teachings are equally effective. Both Dr. Joseph Murphy and Neville Goddard were students of Abdullah, who was a great mystic and manifestation guru. After studying Dr. Joseph Murphy's teachings, I have devised a powerful money manifestation technique. I first tried it and found it amazing. Using this technique, I manifested an amount of money I never expected. This technique manifests money in 24 hours, so if you are in urgent need of money, watch this video till the end so that you can understand the whole process of manifesting money in 24 hours. If you are new to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. So without further ado, let's get started. Manifesting money is a goal many people strive for, but unfortunately, not everyone achieves success in this endeavor. While some individuals have effectively manifested wealth and financial abundance into their lives, others struggle to see any positive results. Before we discuss how you can manifest money into your life in 24 hours, let's first explore some common reasons why most people fail to manifest money in their lives. According to Dr. Joseph Murphy, the major obstacle to manifesting money is the presence of limited beliefs. These beliefs are deeply ingrained and often stem from childhood experiences, societal conditioning, and negative encounters with money. If you believe that money is scarce or that you don't deserve to be wealthy, it becomes incredibly challenging to attract abundance into your life. To manifest money successfully, it is crucial to identify and replace these limiting beliefs with positive, empowering ones. Lack of clarity is another common and major reason for failure to manifest money. Simply desiring more money or to be rich is not specific enough for the subconscious to respond effectively. To manifest money, it is essential to set clear, specific, and achievable financial goals. Define the exact amount of money you want to manifest, specify the timeline, and be clear about the purpose behind your financial goals. Clarity helps you focus your energy and intentions, making it easier to attract the desired wealth. Inconsistent action is a major pitfall, according to Dr. Joseph Murphy. Manifestation is not a passive process. While positive thoughts and intentions are crucial, they must be accompanied by consistent action. Many people fail to take the necessary steps toward their financial goals. They might visualize abundance and repeat affirmations, but if they don't follow through with inspired action, the manifestation process stalls. It is crucial to align your thoughts, intentions, and actions to manifest money successfully. Gratitude is a powerful tool in the manifestation process, yet it is often overlooked. Focusing on what you lack rather than appreciating what you already have creates a sense of scarcity and blocks the flow of abundance. Dr. Joseph Murphy says that gratitude opens up the channels for more blessings to come into your life. You must take time to express gratitude for the money you already have, no matter how small, and for the opportunities that may lead to financial abundance. Impatience and desperation can hinder the manifestation of money. Some individuals become desperate for quick financial solutions and fall into a state of anxiety and worry. Desperation and impatience create negative energy that repels abundance. It is essential to cultivate a mindset of trust and surrender, knowing that your subconscious mind always works in your favor. Have faith that the money you desire will manifest when the time is right. Resistance to receiving can also impede the manifestation of money. Unconscious beliefs about worthiness or guilt associated with wealth can make individuals uncomfortable charging their worth, accepting gifts, or allowing money to flow into their lives. This resistance creates a barrier that prevents the manifestation of money. It is crucial to address and release any subconscious blocks or resistance to receiving wealth and abundance. And lastly, a lack of self-worth can hinder the manifestation of money. If you don't believe you are deserving of financial abundance, you will unconsciously sabotage your efforts to manifest it. It is important to work on building self-worth and cultivating a positive self-image. Practice self-love, affirm your inherent worthiness, and recognize that you are deserving of wealth and prosperity. Let's now discuss how you can bring money into your life in 24 hours. Step 1. Setting the intention and belief. The first step to manifesting money in 24 hours is to set a clear intention and cultivate a strong belief in your ability to attract money effortlessly. Start by acknowledging that there is an abundance of money available to you. Release any limiting beliefs about money, such as the idea that you have to work hard or be stuck in the rat race to earn money. Understand that money can come to you easily and effortlessly when you align your thoughts, beliefs, and actions with abundance. To begin, set a specific intention for the amount of money you want to manifest within the next 24 hours. It could be a small amount to start with, such as an extra $100. State this intention out loud, write it down in the morning and before you go to bed, and repeat it throughout the day to reinforce it in your subconscious mind. Affirmations like, "I am manifesting an extra $100 today," will help you attract the desired amount. The key to manifesting money quickly is to remove any attachment to the how. Trust that your higher self, which according to Dr. Joseph Murphy is your consciousness, will bring the money to you in the safest and best way possible. Be open to receiving money from any source, even if it comes in unexpected ways. Release the need to control or dictate where the money should come from and instead embrace the idea that it can come from various channels. Practice affirmations that support your belief in the ease of making money. Repeat phrases like, "The more money I spend, the more money I make, and I get paid to exist." These affirmations align your thoughts with the idea that money flows to you effortlessly and that you are deserving of abundance. Visualize your bank account growing and feel gratitude for the money you currently have and the money that is on its way to you. Step 2. Reshape your relationship with money. Cultivating a positive money mindset is essential for manifesting money quickly. Your thoughts and beliefs about money shape your reality, so it's important to shift any negative or scarcity-based thinking into a mindset of abundance. Start by reframing your relationship with money. Instead of viewing it as something scarce or difficult to obtain, think of money as a limitless resource that is constantly flowing to you. Visualize money as a plant or a tree, and every time you take money, it replants and grows back even more abundantly. Embrace the idea that there is more than enough money for everyone and that you are deserving of your share. Whenever you check your bank account or handle money, do it with a positive mindset. Express gratitude for the money you have, no matter how small the amount may be. Say thank you for the ability to pay your bills and meet your financial needs. Treat your bank account as if it were a significant other, speaking words of love, appreciation, and excitement for its growth. Visualize your bank account balance increasing and feel the emotions of joy and abundance as you do so. To reinforce positive money beliefs, consider incorporating a money meditation into your daily routine. Find a guided meditation that focuses on magnetizing money and rewiring your subconscious mind for abundance. Listen to this meditation regularly, ideally before bed or during sleep. You can play it on a loop at a low volume to ensure it seeps effortlessly into your subconscious mind. Step 3. Release resistance to manifest money rapidly. It is crucial to release resistance and be open to receiving it from unexpected sources. Often, we limit ourselves by being too specific about how money should come to us or by having doubts and fears about receiving it. Start by identifying and releasing any limiting beliefs or negative emotions you may have about money. These could be thoughts like, "I don't deserve to be wealthy," or "money is hard to come by." Write down these beliefs and emotions on a piece of paper, and then consciously choose to let them go. Tear up or burn the paper as a symbolic act of releasing those limitations from your life. Practice gratitude for the money you have and the money that is on its way. Focus on the feeling of abundance and trust that consciousness is conspiring in your favor to bring you the money you desire. In addition to releasing resistance, be open and receptive to opportunities that may bring money into your life. Pay attention to synchronicities, signs, and unexpected coincidences that may point you in the direction of financial abundance. Stay open-minded and say yes to opportunities, even if they seem unconventional or outside your comfort zone. Step 4. Take inspired action. While it's essential to release resistance and be open to receiving, it's equally important to take inspired action toward manifesting money. The subconscious mind responds to your intentions and beliefs, but it also requires you to actively participate in the process. Start by brainstorming ideas or actions you can take to generate money quickly. This could include offering a service or skill you have, selling items you no longer need, or exploring new income streams. Trust your intuition and choose the action that feels most aligned with your desires and talents. Take deliberate and consistent action toward your financial goals. Break down your actions into small, manageable steps and commit to taking at least one action each day. For example, if you decide to offer a service, create a website, Promote your services on social media or reach out to potential clients. Stay focused and persistent, knowing that your efforts are contributing to the manifestation of money. In addition to taking action, visualize yourself already in possession of the money you desire. Imagine how you would feel, what you would do with the money, and the impact it would have on your life. Visualize with clarity, intensity, and positive emotion. This visualization practice helps align your subconscious mind with your desired outcome and reinforces your belief in manifesting money quickly. Step 5. Trust and let go. Finally, trust in the process and let go of any attachment or need for immediate results. Trust that the universe is working behind the scenes to bring you the money you desire, and surrender to the timing and manner in which it arrives. Avoid obsessing over the outcome or constantly checking for signs of money manifestation. This can create a sense of lack or impatience, which hinders the manifestation process. Instead, focus on gratitude, maintain a positive mindset, and continue taking inspired action. Maintain faith in the abundance of the universe and trust that your intention has been heard. Have patience and allow the manifestation to unfold in its perfect timing. Sometimes money may manifest within the 24-hour time frame you set, and other times it may take longer. Release the need for immediate results and have confidence that the money will come at the right time and in the best possible way. Remember, the process of manifesting money is not just about the result, but also about personal growth and aligning with abundance. Be open to the lessons and experiences that come along the way. Stay committed to your financial goals. Believe in your ability to manifest money rapidly, and trust that you are deserving of financial abundance. By following these steps, releasing resistance, taking inspired action, and trusting in the process, you can manifest money quickly and create a life of financial abundance. I hope I delivered a good analysis of this method by Dr. Joseph Murphy, as he was a great mystic and writer in the previous century. His teachings have brought revolution and a complete change to the lives of millions of people. People who studied his teachings and applied them to their lives became successful in every part of their lives. If you want to share your opinion, comment down below this video. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to it and press the bell icon for more interesting, informative, and helpful videos on manifestation. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.